When a technology exists that could dramatically minimize potential teacher or student injury, it is incumbent on those of us who serve in education to consider it. Founded in 2018, Grit Automation, a North American company, developed a machine access control system that dramatically minimizes potential injury on dangerous equipment in a shop or lab environment. Using their revolutionary RFID technology, Grit will ensure that only those who are fully qualified to do so have the authorization to run such equipment. Click on the link in your email to read Grit's white paper on shop safety. It will revolutionize how you view safety in our makerspaces, wood shops, metalworking and welding labs, and digital manufacturing centers. Grit provides a host of other features, including air filtration monitoring, blast gate control, inventory access control, preventative maintenance scheduling, as well as a vast array of vital analytics that provide administrators with a full understanding of exactly what is happening in their shops and labs. Simply CNC has helped over 1,000 Canadian schools on their technology journey and has made the safety of students and teachers the #1 priority. Contact us today and let us help make your work environments as safe as possible.